So hi guys, in this video I'm gonna start a new series in my channel called What's in the Box, and this is episode 1. So here I randomly unbox stuff which I ordered from Amazon. So we got two boxes, the bigger one and the smaller one. So let's unbox the smaller one. So this is basically a case for my LG Q6. This one right here. So previously I was using a plastic one, so I thought of upgrading it to a soft rubber mat back cover. So let's see what's in the box. So it has got a hexagonal style thing, and it definitely doesn't look like the Amazon picture. So let me just put it in that and see how it looks. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. It looks like damn. Box. So this is a Sims 4 gaming headset. So the only reason I bought this because I wanted a headset which had a microphone, and these are my previous headphones which I was using for listening to music. They cost about 499, and they're quite good, and the audio quality is superb, and it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The reason I'm saying this because the Sims 4 gaming headset has a USB type cable. So a basic packaging, and it has RGB in it also. This is 2018. We need to have them, and damn, they look so comfortable for just 349 rupees. Like probably they will go for 499, but I got it for lightning deal at 349. So as you can see, it has a USB type end. So if you want to connect to your phone, you have to use a OTG cable. You can search it up in Amazon. It's like 100 or 200 rupees. So just plug it to the USB type B female, USB type A female, and the USB type B end to the phone, and you're ready to go. And that's it for this video guys, and hope you like this new series I'm making this channel. So if you want to show your support, please click the like button, subscribe, comment if you have any queries, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Oh,